Hey baby girls, today I'm at Cara Ball Skincare and Aesthetics Clinic in Christchurch and I'm going to be getting my first Dermabrasion facial. So to begin, Cara begins to cleanse my skin. This facial is customised to meet everyone's individual skin types and concerns. It's also suitable for the most sensitive skin types. Cara wipes away the cleanser using hot mitts and oh my god, I cannot tell you how divine these felt. And if you're enjoying this facial as much as me, hit that like and subscribe button so you can watch more videos like this. She then spritzed the toner all over the skin and I felt like I was in a tropical rainforest with the mist of the toner and the heated blanket. Cara then uses the Zemit's ultrasonic skin scrubber. The Skin Expert vibrates up to 28,000 times per minute. This rapid vibration vaporizes moisture on the surface of the skin to gently peel away the most superficial layer of dead skin and sebum to reveal a fresh, healthy and glowy skin. Although the machine has to apply quite a lot of pressure to the skin, I kind of really enjoyed the sensation of this. It felt like it was doing something really effective as I could feel it really pushing onto the skin. So I actually liked the feeling of this.
So I'm just going to apply some hydrating serum.
Just like Cara said, she applied some hydrating serum onto the skin and oh my god, it smelled incredible. It smelled of pure roses and it felt so calming on my skin after the machine. It felt beautiful. And also the brush felt like silk was being brushed across my face. It was such a nice applicator brush. So the skin is now prepped and ready for Cara to use the Zemit's Dermalux Pro. The first wand she uses is the Hydra Diamond, which is the new generation of Dermabrasion. And this tool felt the exact same as when I go and get a hydrofacial, that slight sucking, scratching sensation across the skin, which I really like the feeling of.
It's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Your skin's a teeny bit dehydrated.
And as you can see, I'm so relaxed, I can't even talk. After she applies another serum, she then uses her oxygen infusion therapy. This tool deeply moisturises and nourishes the skin. It felt so nice too. Like I can't describe the feeling, but just like a breeze of air felt like it was contouring my face. Cara then applied my face mask. This felt so cold and refreshing. I must say, these face masks really don't complement my face very much. I have a very small round head with a large nose, so these are not a good look for me. Cara then uses the Cryo Skin Tightening Handpiece. This expertly crafted tool offers a gentle, cold touch, perfect for post-treatment soothing. While the mask stays on the skin, Cara performed a neck, shoulder and décolletage massage which felt unbelievable. My shoulders and back kept clicking and popping every time she worked over that area. This felt absolutely incredible and I really needed this. The mask then comes off and Cara massages the excess of the mask into the skin, and this also felt absolutely dreamy. She then cleansed the skin once again with hot mist to remove all excess traces of the mask. One last spritz of toner, then she applies a hydrating face cream ready for the day. Look how fresh, hydrated and glowy my skin looks. I'm so happy with the results. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!